how to sound like a girl using your voice mod. So to do this, you're gonna go ahead and choose a specific filter that changes your voice into a female voice. So if you don't have the subscription or the pro version, there should be free ones that comes daily. You can go ahead and claim them as well, and you can find the ones that pretty much turns your voice into a female. So you can go ahead and choose let's say this one over here. This is the only female one we have, and you gotta put in mind that your options, if you don't have the pro, will be very limited. You'll only get like a few options over here, and luckily enough there should be one over here as well. But if you want other options, and most of them of course, you can go ahead and choose the Go Pro option. But anyways, again, just go ahead and choose a female voice and make sure your settings is set so that your microphone input is set to the microphone you want. But that's pretty much the general idea on how to make your voice into a female. Just go ahead and choose a female version. There should be lots over here. You can also go ahead and search as well if you'd like. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.